I have another little Supertone for sale. This was a big repair project, but I'm happy to get it done and pass it on. The body is some really nice mahogany, top, back, and sides, with the same rope binding and rosette we've seen on the other ones. Is that better? Yeah. Spanish cedar neck. And there's no fretboard on this one, it's just the frets sunk right into the neck, which was pretty common back then. Yeah, so Supertone, this is a Sears and Roebuck brand. This is probably a 1920s instrument. It's still kind of mimicking the Hawaiian style instead of mimicking Martin, which comes later. So anyway, it was a big repair project. I had to re-glue a big crack in the back and a big crack in the top. I had to re-glue all the braces inside, and I made a new bridge out of mahogany. I glued the neck back on the instrument, the last person had done a refret, and when they pulled the old frets out, they left some jagged tears in the fretboard there, just up here at the top. And I filled those with some glue and put some more shellac on it. And I left it alone because it's way up here where nobody plays, and I think it's okay. New strings, of course. It didn't have tuners, so I put these old tuners on. They came off a Martin, and they're a little stiff if you're used to geared pegs, but for friction pegs, I think they're working good, and they suit the age of the instrument pretty well. Oh, and then shellac, yeah. Then I patted on shellac to all of it to give it some more protection and cover up the repairs. And I'm really pleased with it. It's a good little uke. It's gonna go out to our little list of people who are waiting for instruments from me, and this one's going to be $200 plus shipping.